This is Kidum Kibido. I'm now in Bujumbura, enjoying myself. This is Donatis Conference Center. In Kinindo, near River Muha. This is where I'm going to perform, me and Boda Boda Band, on 27th July 2024. C'est ici Donatis Conference Center. Le 27 juillet, je serai ici avec mon groupe Boda Boda Band. Réservez vos places, achetez vos billets, les billets d'entrée. Il y a 50 000, il y a 150 000, 500 000, etc. Voilà. Est-ce que vous savez que ici c'est au Burundi? This is Bujumbura. This place on 27th July is going to be a place to never, an event to never miss. Our event is going to happen here on 27th July 2024. Come, I show you around. Ubukorikori bw'iwacu. It's going to happen here. People will be all over, and after here, we go outside. So guys, Bujumbura, this is where I am now. Barundi kazi, aha ni Bujumbura, nagiye kwira ngo nirabire kibanza. Hano hitwa Donatis, afise ikibanza cyo kurindiriramo kwira ngo umusitari abanza shike. So the concert will take place here, and I'm happy with it. Ndanezerewe cyane. Nahantu heza vraiment. Rero sound, bazane sound ya yindi ngana na jewe. Sound. So I've come to visit, and tomorrow I'm going back to Nairobi. So in just 9 days, we shall be back here so that we wait for the big day. The event is going to be a fashion show plus music. So do not miss. Reserve your ticket, reserve your table. See you on 27th.